Okay, hello. Okay, so this is going to be a much more clearer sa kung anong gagawin nyo inside the classroom. Okay, so how to record. Okay, first is this one. Do you see this video icon here sa loob ng classroom? Click yan. Okay, so may magpa-pop out. Click record. Okay, and then, so may lalabas dito, saan nyo isi-save. So, for us to not to convert na, save type as MP4. Okay, it's very clear. Sa umpisa, naka-FLB, then click MP4. Para pagtapos niyan, hindi na tayo magko-convert. And para hindi kayo mahirapan, hanapin nyo na kung saan nyo isi-save. Dito na lang, sa downloads. Diba? Mas madaling hanapin pag sa downloads. Click yan, MP4, save. So, ayan, nag-green na siya. Parang nagbi-blink siya. Okay, ibig sabihin, nag-record na siya. Okay? So, ayan. Tapos, um, gagawin nyo is magsa-setup, di ba? Settings, classroom background. Then, select nyo kahit anong gusto nyong background dyan. Ito, pero ako may sarili akong background. Gumawa ako ng sarili ko. Ganyan. Okay. So, next is itong cloud na to. Ito yung tools, di ba? So, click nyo tong cloud icon. Okay? Di ba may binigay akong sample na lesson or yung lesson na binigay ni student mismo, yung pinasa ko sa inyo. So, for example, ito. Yan. Download nyo siya, di ba? So, yan. Ang gagawin nyo is position nyo yan dito. Okay? Yan. Make it big. Like that. Okay, dito tayo sa may ano. Change natin. Pero kahit saang side nyo ilagay yan na, pwede. Left or right kung saan kayo komportable. Tapos dito is, hindi lang naka-allow yung camera ko. Ganyan. So, pwede yan. Diyan. Dito. Ano bang classroom layout nito? So, nakaganito siya. No layout. So, kahit saan dyan, pwede nyo lakihan to. Ganyan. Okay, tas kayo na bahala kung saan nyo lalagay si student. So, pwede yan. Okay, next na gagawin. Okay, di ba may space ka dito for board writings. Okay, now, pag pumasok na si student, syempre sasabihin nyo, Hi, good evening, or Hi, good afternoon. What is your name? Okay, syempre, i-ask nyo si student anong name niya. O sasabihin niya, for example, I am K. Okay, so I am K. Oh, what a nice name. Okay, by the way, my name is Teacher Barbie. Okay, how are you today? Okay, always ask basic questions kay student. Okay, how are you today? O, when sasabihin niya, I'm happy, I'm fine. Okay, oh, that's great. Okay, minsan nag-a-ask sila pabalik, how about you? Okay, sabihin niyo, I'm also fine, I'm also happy. Thank you for asking. Okay, by the way, did you eat dinner? Or did you eat your lunch? Okay? Huwag niyong puputulin yung conversation nyo sa simple greetings na how are you? Okay, huwag niyong puputulin. Like, you always make, you always ask questions na connect, na mafe-feel ni student na magiging komportable siya. Okay, so, did you eat dinner? O pag sinabi niyang yes, o what did you eat for dinner? Ay, siya sasabihin niya. Halimbawa, hindi niya alam sasabihin niya. Sabihin niyo, did you eat rice? Did you eat noodles? Chicken? Okay, tapos yun, syempre, nagka-idea na siya kung ano yung word na sasabihin niya. O siya, sagot siya. Oh, that's yummy. Me too. I also ate my dinner before our class. I also ate noodles. I also eat rice. Ganon. So, paparamdam nyo kay student na maging komportable lang siya. Okay? So, wag niyo hahayaan na may dead air, na parang hindi niyo alam yung sasabihin niyo. Okay? Pwede niyo ring isulat yan sa papel. Parang magiging script niyo na lang din hanggang sa makakasanayan niyo yan. Kasi sanay na ako eh, ganyan ako. Madaldal ako sa student, actually. Okay? Next. Okay, so after nung kamustahan. Okay, so are you ready? Let's start. Ganun sasabihin niyo kay student. Next, okay, now, so let's proceed to the lesson. Okay, so our lesson for today is Jack can. Okay, can you please read this one? Okay, babasahin ni student. Jack can. Okay, so what do we mean by the word can? Okay, it is like what are the things that you can do? Okay, so ayan na. First question na pwedeng i-connect kay student. Okay, what are the things that you can do? Okay, can you sing? Can you dance? Okay, can you play an instrument? Or can you swim? Okay, yung mga ganun po. Okay, so no need to write na, di ba? Ito ang text natin. Make sure malaki, size 24. And dapat readable siya dito sa background nyo. Okay, so for example, ang background nyo is green, at least white yung text nyo, 'di ba, nababasa? Or mga bright colors. Yan, readable. Okay? Etong sa background ko, kaya dito ang black, ang red. So, red mostly ang gamit ko. So, yan. So, wag na, no need na i-type yung my name is teacher, what is your name? Okay, no need to write na yung questions. Okay, hindi nyo na kailangan i-type ang question dito ng what is your name? Okay, wag na. O ba't naka-yellow to? Okay, wag na. No need na. Okay? So, ang isusulat nyo lang dito is yung mga sentences ni student. Okay? Okay, for example, di ba, inas nyo, what are the things that you can do? Sabi ni student, I can read books. Okay. Oh, I can read books. Wow. And also your sentence is very good. Okay. Your sentence is correct. So you can read books. Okay. What else? What are the things that you can do? Okay. Sasabihin pa niya, I can sing. Okay. I can sing. Wow. Don't you know, teacher? Don't know how to sing? Okay. Ganon, yung i-connect niyo yung sarili niyo kay student para magiging komportable siyang kausap kayo. Okay? Like, yung sumagot siya tapos parang, okay. Parang ganun lang kayo. Okay, wag ganun. Always make connections kay student, okay? Tapos, syempre, sasabihin mo, teacher don't know how to sing. Okay, minsan tatawa yan. Minsan, kung hindi niya naiintindihan, edi parang wala lang din sa kanya. Okay, basta oo, ko-connect niyo yung sarili niyo kay student, okay? Para maging komportable siya. So now, okay, so let's move on to the lesson. Okay, so what do you see in this picture? Okay, always ask, what do you see in this picture? Always let them make a sentence. Okay, let them always, ano tawag doon? Lagi niyo silang itatry na maggawa ng sentence nila kasi yun ang gusto ng mga Chinese monitors natin, sentence construction at saka word expansions. Okay, so what do you see in this picture? Okay, again, no need to write yung question, yung sagot lang. Okay, so sabihin ni student, I see children. Okay, I see kids. Okay, I see kids. Okay, oh, what do you think are they doing? O sasabihin niya, they are painting. Okay, they are painting. Where do you think are they? Where are they? Okay, sasabihin ni student, they are at school. Okay, yes, they are at school. Very good. So now, let's move on to this one. Okay, so we have some words here. Okay, so ang gagawin nyo, expand nyo yan. Okay, so sabihin nyo kay student. So we have some words here. We have the word paint. Okay, do you know what is the word paint? Okay, o expand nyo yan. May Google naman. Okay, sulat nyo sa papel lahat, right? Di ba, ahead of time, binibigay ito para mapag-aralan. So, ayan, search nyo lahat ng pwede nyong i-word expand. Google, ano meaning ng paint? Okay, right? Expand ang word right? Okay. So, sa paint muna, okay, di ba? Nag-expand na kayo. As a student, can you make a sentence using the word paint? Sasabihin ni student, I paint pictures. Okay, very good. I paint pictures. Okay, next. Now, we have the word write. Okay, write is ganito, ganito, ganyan. Google ulit. Meaning ng write. Okay, next. As a student, okay, can you make a sentence using the word write? Okay, I write my name. Very good. Okay, next word. Read. Okay, do you like reading? Ask ganun. Like, laging connected kay student, okay? Always ask questions na connected kay students, okay? Do you like reading? You say, Yes, I like reading. Oh, what kind of books do you like to read? Like, do you want to read novels, story books, or just your school books? Okay, minsan sasabihin nila school books, school books lang. Okay, tapos, ayan na. Oh, as a student, can you make a sentence using the word read? Okay, now, minsan kasi, hindi sila nakakaintindi. So, laging may nanay yan sa gilid. Kaya kailangan may energy kayo ha. So, this one, I'm going to show you how to pumunta kay Google. Wait lang, kita nyo tuloy pinapanood ko. Hindi ako na prepared. Okay, Google, translate. English to Chinese. Okay, for example, make a sentence using the word. Okay, so yan. Print screen. Print screen nyo. Select nyo yan. Print screen or screenshot, okay? So, select nyo yan. Yan. 'Di ba naka-select na siya? So, balik dito sa classroom. Click yung arrow. Bumalik ka sa classroom, 'di ba? Click arrow. Baba mo muna to. Click mo tong board. Click. Control V. Para naintindihan niya kung ano yung sinabi mo. Okay, minsan kasi, can you make a sentence using the word? Minsan di nila naiintindihan. So, pwede kang mag Google Translate, paste mo dito. Mas madali kayo magkakaintindihan. Okay? Effective yan. Ganyan ang ginagawa ko sa students ko na no comprehension. Okay. So, ayan, naintindihan niya na. Okay, okay. Oh, balik mo to. Di ba binaba mo? Ito lang yan. Balik mo to. Ayan, gagawa na siya ng sentence niya. Okay, I read, I like reading books. Ayan na yung sagot niya. So, if na-expand mo na lahat ng words na to, balik ka na dito. Okay, aanseran nyo na to. Sasagutan nyo na. Okay, now, can you, uh, ano to? Kung ano sa tingin niya yung missing word, okay? The children paint at school. Okay, so, etong question na to, oh, i-connect mo ulit kay student. Okay, how about you? What do you do at school? Okay, so for ano nga ulit pangalan ni student kunwari? K. Okay, K, what do you do at school? Okay, sasabihin niya, if hindi niya na naman alam ang isasagot niya, sabi mo, do you write at school? Do you also paint at school? Do you sing at school? Yung mga ganun. Do you play soccer at school? Kasi minsan PE class nila, nagsa-soccer sila, football, ganyan. So, syempre, sasabihin niya, o kunwari, I, uh, ano ba yun? I play football at school. Okay, so halimbawa, sinabi lang nila, I play football. O kayo na lang mag-complete ng sentence niya. Okay? Para at least may natututunan din siya sa inyo na dapat ganun yung sasabihin niya. Teacher tayo, so dapat magtunog teacher, magtunog alam yung sinasabi natin. Okay? Kaya pinapasulat ko sa inyo yung mga words at sentences nyo sa papel para hindi kayo nag-iisip na parang, hindi mo alam yung sasabihin mo. Dead air. Okay? Boring. Hala, bakit di nagsasalita yung teacher? Ganon. Okay? So, always dapat madaldal kayo kay student. Lalo na, may students dito na madaldal. Ay, nako, si Ino. Okay? Ang student na yan, madaldal yan. Sabayan nyo yan. Okay? Nakakasagot yan. Madaldal yung batang yon. Okay? So, next. Okay. So, ganun pa rin ang gagawin nyo. O, I write at school. Okay. What is the girl doing? I read at school. Okay, ganun lang. I-explain nyo lang yung pictures. Okay, so now, basta ganun lang. Lahat na makikita yung words, tall. Oh, tall is, okay, expand ulit. And then ask your student, are you tall? Okay, connect kay student always. Okay, how about you? Okay, are you tall? Sabi niya, yes, I am tall. Okay, I am tall. Wow, don't you know teacher is short? Okay, ganun. I am not tall. I am just short. Okay, minsan itinatanong ko sa kanila, do you know what's your height? Okay, depende na lang yan sa student, okay? Pag alam nyo na alanganin siyang sumagot or yun nga, yung hindi niya pa kayang i-express yung sarili niya, huwag na magtanong ng mga ganon, okay? Next. Okay, so may sample sentence tayo. Okay, very good. So now let's read the sample sentence. My dad is tall. Okay, connect again. Okay, how about you, Kay? Is your dad tall? Okay. Yes, my dad is tall. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Next one. Oh, another word. Okay, what do you think is this picture? Okay, hi. Okay, now write again ang hi. Expand ang word na hi. Expand, Google. Okay, then ask the student. Okay, make a sentence. Okay, sabi niya I can jump high. Wow, really? You can jump high? Okay, teacher can't jump high. Okay, good for you. Okay, mga ganon. Okay, so basta lahat ng words dito na kaya nyong i-expand, na pwedeng i-expand, pwedeng gawan ng sentence, gawin nyo yan lahat. Okay? No need to write yung questions. Ito lang, yung mga sentences nyo lang, at saka word expansions. Okay, is that clear? And always, again, make connection kay students. Lahat ng words dito, always itanong kay student. Always connect kay student, okay? So that's it. So now, sa demo, after nun, di ba? So halimbawa, 24 minutes na, give a little feedback. Okay, pahaging na kayo na mag stop na. Okay, so 24 minutes na. 24 or 24, 30 seconds, mga ganon. Okay, so pahaging na kayo. Okay, so that's it for today. Kay, well, you did a great job today. You are good at reading and you are also good at making your sentence, at constructing your sentence. You did very good. So you just keep on practicing on reading and speaking, okay? Because practice makes perfect. Okay, Kay? Ganon. So niya, okay. Okay, so nice to meet you, Kay. And I hope to see you again next time. Okay, goodbye. Ganun lang. Okay? Kahit konting feedback lang, wag naman yung diretsong bye-bye agad. Okay? So, ayan, umalis na siya. Click nyo lang tong X. X, X. Di ba naka-record tayo? Pag kinlik nyo tong X, lalabas to. Are you sure to close the classroom? Recording in progress? Yes. Okay? Yes. Autosave. Autosave. Ngayon, punta ka dito sa Files. Di ba dito mo siya dinownload? Ito na siya. Yan na siya agad. Okay? So, yun lang. Tapos, send nyo na sa akin para ipapasa natin sa recruiters. Eh, double check nila yan. Check nila yung i-review. Okay, i-review nila yung demo class nyo. If magustuhan nila, then good for you, papasa. Kung walang feedback, failed. Redemo. Okay? So, yun lang po. Sana mas clear ito. Okay?